Yeah, anyone please confirm me whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible.
Yes,
Okay.
it's visible. Yes.
Right. So in the stress class, we had an introductory session to data science in AI. So full stack data science with advanced AI. So in today's world, the technology is growing faster than ever, right? So two of the most exciting and powerful fields leading this change are data science and artificial intelligence. These areas are helping people solve the problems, make smart decisions, and improve our daily lives. So everything deals with the data here. Everything deals with the data. See, data has got experience. Data has got future reference. Yes, using data science, we perform data analysis, data predictions, data classification, data clustering, data recommendations, right? So we talk like data science combines math, statistics, programming, advanced analytics, AI and ML for extracting insights hidden in organizations' data. In shorter version, data science is the art of turning a data into actions. Data is like oil, and data science is like a refined oil, right? As we say. So data science focus on value, not on the volume. So data science is all about using tools, techniques, and creativity to uncover the hidden insights within the data. So data science, if we talk like data science is extremely important in the real world because it helps individuals, business and governments like making data-driven decisions. It involves, as I said, it involves statistics, programming, machine learning, and domain expertise, right? Okay. So data science is study of data. It helps us to collect, organize, and understand the information. Companies using data science to find out the customers, what the customers like to buy, and doctors using it to detect the diseases early, and scientists using it to study the climate change. So the turning raw data into useful insights. Data science helps people make better and faster decisions. Okay, so data science is all about using the tools, techniques, and creativity to cover insights hidden within the data. It combines, already said, maths, computer science, and domain expertise, right? Processing the raw data and solving the business problems, and even making some kind of predictions about the future and these requirements, right? Artificial intelligence developing systems that we perform tasks. What is this? Or AI, right? Artificial intelligence, right? It's developing systems that can perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making, right? Yes. Generative AI, a subset of AI, it's going to create a new content like text or images by learning patterns from the data. You see, right? Agentic AI, it focuses on making decisions and executing multi-step actions to achieve the goals. Right? Yes. In simple way, generative AI is about the creation. Agentic AI is about action and decision making. Is about action. I was just discussing about data science, AI, generative AI, agentic AI. Just I was giving overview about these things. Now, one second. Now, just overview about this ML. Without entering into the technical steps, I just want to make you understand. Yes. Mm. Machine learning. If you want to define this machine learning, right, it is an approach. It is an approach where we provide some data patterns. where we provide some data patterns to an application, or a system, to an application or a system, based on the data patterns provided, the application or the system, can predict in the automated fashion. It is an approach where we provide data patterns to an application or a system. Based on the data patterns provided, the application or the system, can predict the things in the automated fashion. Generally, we provide historical. Generally, we provide historical patterns. For example, to make you understand, um, example one. I'm taking two variables. Yes, I want the sessions to be interactive. Everyone try to give your responses now. So I got two variables, for example, x and y. X and y are two variables. If x value 1, if y is 10. Try to understand this pattern once. If x is 2, y is 20. If x is 3, y is 30. 4, 40, 5, 50. 440 and 550, right? Yes. So observe this pattern, right? 110, 220, 330, 440, and 550. This data is provided. Right, to the application, right? It needs to predict. If x value equal to 29, what is y?
290.
Yes. So if the based on this data, if data is provided to the application, it needs to predict. Okay, you are saying 290. If this data is not provided, if I say x equal to 29, what is y?
We cannot predict.
So based on this data only, right? Yeah, just you are going to train that model. Here the model, if you observe this model, yeah, fine, that's fine. So for example, yes, here the model performs analysis and evaluates. What is the relation between x and y? Relation between x and y. It evaluates the relation between x and y. X relation y. What is the x relation y? Can I say y is okay? Y is 10 times x. Can I say y is 10 times x?
Yes.
For example, if x value is 1, y equal to 10 of 1. Hence, what is that? Y is 10 times x. Is 10. Y equal to 10 of 2. 20. Y equal to 10 of 3. 30. Y equal to 10 of 29. 290, right? Yes. Y is 290. One more example. Okay, that was a simple one. Now see one more example, right? If x value is 1, now try to respond for the see this pattern y equal to 20, y equal to 10, you say. If x value is 2, y is 14. Try to respond now. If x is 3, what is y? 18. Now 4 for 4, you try to say x is 4, y is
22.
for x value is 5. What is y?
26.
So okay, you are able to say this. But if now you say if x value is 500, now try to say y. What is y? Anyone? If x equal to 500 and what is y? Take 5 minutes time and say x equal to 500, what is y? The relation between x and y. What is the relation between x and y? The model performs analysis and evaluates. Model performs analysis and evaluates. Can anyone say? For example, can I say y equal to 4x? Can I say if x value is 1? If x value is 1, can I say y is 4 times x? Is it valid? Y equal to 4x?
No.
No, right.
4x means if x value is 1, y will be 4 only, not a 10, right? So
Right.
how much I need to add to this to make it a 10? 6, right?
Yes.
Means can I say 4x plus 6, will it work? Not only for all that variables, for all the input values, it has to work. Y
Yes.
equal to 4 into 2, 4 into 2 plus 6. Or what is the value you need to get? 14 you got. Similarly for x equal to 3, y equal to 4 into 3, 4 into 3 plus 6, 18. Four into 4 plus 6, that is 22. Similarly for x equal to 500, y equal to 4 into 500 plus 6. (2006). Understood now? How this model is going to perform analysis and evaluates internally.
Yes.
Based on the historical patterns, Here one more example. So this example 3, right? Two variables. two variables, temperature and sales. Temperature 27, sales 31K. Temperature 29, sales 33K, right? Temperature 31, sales 35K. Temperature 33, sales 37K. Temperature 35, sales 39K. This data I'm providing to the application has to predict. If temperature equal to 28, for example, if temperature equal to 28, sales how much? Now, based on this data, if the data is provided, okay, temperature increasing, sales also increasing. Assume these are the sales of some cool drinks in summer. Temperature of increasing, sales of cool drinks also increasing. If temperature is 28, the sales will be around 32 or 33K thousand. If temperature equal to 20, now based on this, try to respond. If temperature is 20, sales will be below 31. What is that? What is your prediction? If temperature is 20, what might be the sales value? Increase or decrease? If temperature decreases, sales also will decrease. If temperature increasing, sales of the cool drinks increasing. So based on the historical, see how you are able to say if temperature is 28, sales will be around this 31 or 33K if this data is provided. So based on the historical data, the model is good. So based on historical data, the model is going to be trained to get trained. Now one more example. Titanic. For example, Titanic ship. Total passengers. Total dead. 800. Total survived. Unknown status. Total passengers 1000. Total dead 800. Total survived 100. Unknown status 100. Yes. Wait, what happened to this 100? Wait, what happened to this 100? For example, we take a dead. How many? 800. 800. This 800 will have some common features. Will have some common features. Say X features. Say X features. Will have some common features. survived. How many survived? Like 100 survived. 100 survived. So they'll have some common features. I'll just I'll combine all that features. We'll have some common features. Just I'm saying them as Y features. Say it as Y features. Using this X and Y features, using this X and Y features. Using this X and Y features. Train the model. Using this X and Y features, train the model. Now model will predict. Now model will predict on unknown status. Now model will predict on unknown status. Unknown how many? Like 100. Unknown 100. Have got X features. In that 100, now unknown 10 has got Y features. Now what is your observation here? 90 people have got X features, means X features, the history is saying that people with X features, they are dead. People with Y features, they are survived. Means 90 people have got X features, means right. Dead. So we are giving the label them as survived. How many might have been survived? Means 10 people, because the history is saying people with the Y features have been survived. For example, bank provided loans. Bank provided loans to 1,000 customers. 1,000 customers. Out of which 600 paying regularly. They have got X features. $400. They are not paying the loans. Defaulters, we say. They have got Y features. And the new customers approached. 100 new customers approached for a loan. What is the prediction? Hundred new customers approached for a loan. What is the prediction? Out of this 100, 30 has got X features. 30 has got X features means what is the history saying? 30 has got X features means okay. I'll come back to it. And 70 has got Y features. 70 has got Y features. To whom to approve, to whom to reject means 30 people have got X features. People with X features, they are paying regularly means approve the loan for those. And for these people who have got Y features, reject the loan.
Vijay, I have one question. Like this 100 new customers that they approach for the loan, are we predicting like how much, how many will be having X feature and how many having Y feature, or we know that already like out of 130 is having X feature and Y 70
No,
have.
no. So first, out of 1,000 customers, right? You are so you will just say 600 are paying regularly. Means you will just say 600. The people who are paying, you will just combine all that features. They have got X features means they have got high salaries with high. They have got jobs with high salaries. They are able to pay and many other features, right? And
Yeah.
people with Y features means okay, that doesn't have salaries. That doesn't sorry, they doesn't have jobs, even if they have jobs with very less salaries. So you'll just combine all those features as Y features.
Mhm.
And based on that, if 1,300 new customers are coming approach for a loan, they applied for a loan. So you as a bank, right, you need to say to whom to approve the loan, to whom to reject the loan. So from this 30, first you will see the features, you will see the features of this 100. In this
Mhm.
100, 30 people as have got X features. Means that
Okay.
they've got salaries, they got jobs with high salaries. 70 people you can see they doesn't have jobs. If they have jobs also with very less salaries and many other features, their age, everything will be taken into consideration. Based on that, the history is saying means the previous data like it's saying people with X features are paying regularly, approve the loan. And people who has got Y features, people with Y features, they reject the loan.
Okay.
In this way, based on this, if you are providing this data patterns only, then your model can predict the things for the new inputs. So yeah, so this is what machine learning. Machine learning, right? It is an approach. It is an approach to train the models. To train the models. Before training, before training, models doesn't have any knowledge. Before training, right? Model doesn't have any knowledge. After training, what is that after training? We say model fit. They get model fit. Model fit. Acquires knowledge. Models acquires knowledge from the data. Here the model learns. Here the model. Here what the model learns. Here what the model learns. It learns the patterns from the data. Here what the model learns. It learns the patterns from the data and performs prediction or classification. Prediction or classification. Here what the model learns. It learns the patterns from the data and performs prediction or classifications. Once model fit is produced, once model fit is produced, that has to be tested. See, after training, we see the model, we see model fit. After training, model fit means models acquires knowledge from the data. Once model fit deployed, once model fit deployed into the application becomes smart application. It becomes smart application. So what is the difference between normal application and smart application? What is the difference between normal application and smart application? Normal application, instruction based. Smart application, normal application, instruction based. Smart application, right? Yes. Normal application, instruction based. Smart application, intelligence based. Train the model fit, accuracy testing, deployment. Here we train the model using the data. The model acquires knowledge called as model fit. If we train a model using data, the model acquires knowledge called as model fit. Then we perform testing for accuracy measurement. Here we train the model using data. The model acquires knowledge called as model fit, and we perform testing for accuracy measurement, and later we deploy into the application. Here two things. Overfit, underfit. Overfit, we see underfit. With one labor example, right? Overfit, for example, there's a birthday function. You expected 500 people. You expected 500 people, but only 400 attended. In the same way, in the prediction, you expected 500, but only 400 you got. The same way, underfit means underfit. Expected 300, we expected 300, but 500 attended. This underfit, that is overfit. So in this way, we train the models. Just overfit means you are expecting more, but you got less. Underfit means expected 300, we got less. So we got more. Okay. So that is what overview about this machine learning. And yesterday, just I was briefing you about the course overview, what I'll be discussing in brief. So it's full stack data science and advanced AI with generative AI and agentic AI. So starting with introduction to Python. So basics of Python syntaxes I'll be discussing, followed by data analysis using NumPy and Pandas, data visualizations using Matplotlib. Statistics for data science, right? Statistics for data science. So machine learning techniques, deep learning techniques like artificial neural network, convolution neural network, time series analysis, ARIMA, auto-regressive integrated moving average, MLOps, machine learning operations, set of practices, combining ML and development operation DevOps, right? And big data, PySpark. NLP and text mining, natural language, NLP like natural language processing allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language, bridging the gap between the people and the technology. NLTK, we use a natural language toolkit, suite of libraries and programs written in Python programming language. TensorFlow, it is an open source software library for machine learning and deep learning developed by Google. It provides a set of tools, APIs, and libraries to help developers train, deploy the machine learning models efficiently across multiple platforms, various platforms. Boltzmann machine and autoencoder. It is a type of neural networks. Boltzmann machines are kind of neural networks that uses some approach to model data distributions, unsupervised learning models. Autoencoders also, right? Type of unsupervised deep learning that learns to compress data into lower dimensions. Generative adversarial networks, GAN, powerful model architecture that uses some competing neural networks. RNN and GNN, RNN and GRU, right? Yes, RNN and GRU, recurrent neural network, and GRU, gated recurrent unit. LSTM, long short-term memory, it is a specialized type of neural network. It is used in deep learning to process sequential data. OpenCV, open source computer vision library. There's a vital role in deep learning, like generative AI, subset of AI, which creates new content like text or images by learning patterns from the data. Prompt engineering, so designing, optimizing prompts for AI models, especially large language models. Advanced prompting techniques. LLM APIs, OpenAI, Gemini, like Mistral, all these things, right? Yes. Vector databases and embeddings, right? Yes. LLM ops, large language model operations, and agentic AI, and various relations, various topics related to agentic AI, advanced topic in AI. Right? Just check with this course content. Data science introduction, Python for data science, NumPy, Python for data analysis, Pandas, Python for data analysis. See, you can see in the chart, right, a big message is given by this online team. Tomorrow the link will be changing. You are supposed to get enrolled for getting the new link for tomorrow's class. You can go to the course content, statistical methods for data science, machine learning, and implementing these techniques, time series analysis, MLOps fundamentals, big data, PySpark, NLP and text mining, extracting, cleaning and pre-processing text, deep learning, TensorFlow 2.0, convolution neural network, Boltzmann machine and autoencoder. Then emotion and gender detection, introduction to RNNG, RU, LSTM, OpenCV, generative AI evolutions, types of generative AI, prompt engineering, and advanced prompt techniques like COT, TOT, chain of thought, tree of thought, working with LLM APIs, building LLM APIs and with long chain, developing RAG systems, vector databases and embeddings, building end-to-end Gen AI applications, multi-model LLM models, and from the model number 31 to 40, Agentic AI. Agentic AI architecture design patterns, working with long chain, AI agents, implementing RAG, developing AI agents with free data. This all you can check it once. Building AI agents with no low code tools. So the offerings from my side. You will be getting each and every session video, soft copy of this class notes, assignments and tasks to work, a WhatsApp group for technical discussions, interactive hands-on sessions, interview questions, around 200 interview questions, and 3 projects will be discussed right in this. So the duration is 5 months, 2 months for 2 months for data science and 3 months for AI. Python, and you also will be getting access to this Python videos, 100 plus videos of this Python, MySQL videos around 35, and Linux Unix shell scripting videos of 120. Around 7,000 rupees access videos will be given freely once you get enrolled for this course. The timing for the first timing of this batch will be like 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. It's fixed, and duration will be 5 months. So from tomorrow we'll be starting with the things. So get enrolled from tomorrow. Tomorrow will be added to the WhatsApp group. From tomorrow we'll be getting the videos to your Google Drives. Daily one video will be added to that. Notes will be getting. Any queries you got, you can go with your queries. Yes.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hello, sir. Sir, Mr.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. You can hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Sir, actually, I have a little query. Basically, I can see there is a two course. One is generative AI development course, and this one is full stack data science with generative AI, right? I can see the course fee is same, and even the syllabus. I can see that like content, course content is generally approximately same. I can see that. So I'm little confused. Which course should I go? Whether it's full stack web development with data science course with generative AI or generative AI development course. I mean, what is the difference between these two
See,
courses?
one second. Here, 1 second. Previously, like data science, it was for 2 months separate course. Like 20K was the fee structure, and AI was separately for 3 months course. It was separately. 1 second. It was for 20K. So now, as an offer, it was given for you people for data science plus AI. Data science plus AI, totally like with 5 months with the 20K only. So, and here in this AI, advanced AI, you can compare this syllabus with any other training sites with any other trainers, right? So you can see in brief, in depth, like advanced AI I'm going to discuss. See, generally the other like training sites, other trainers, right? They say AI or AI development. Again, if you see their course content in that, they say AI development. Again, they go with Python, Again, they go with the statistics. You see the syllabus. If you see the syllabus there, again they say for statistics. Again they say ML. Again they say deep learning, and all these things they say again. And finally, once they came to AI or AI development, they hardly spend some one month time. But here explicitly we are spending 3 months time. Explicitly we are spending, or apart from that, data science concepts like statistics, machine learning, deep learning, all this explicitly. Apart from this, we are explicitly spending 3 months for AI only. The 2 3 months for generative AI, agentic AI concepts only, which means totally 5 months we are sparing. Here we'll see all that AI, generative AI development. So they doesn't want all the data science, but still the statistics MLDL will be included in that. But here explicitly I'm saying that 2 months for this, 3 months for this. So even people will be think the same DurgaSoft is offering AI development, generative AI development courses, but as compared to here, you will be getting full-fledged knowledge about total everything. You will be getting about data science and AI. And if we observe the course content of other training sites, they'll have that. Just to compare that generative AI, agentic AI, not even one page. In other training sites, other trainers, you won't see more than one page or 1.5 page. Here you see from module number 20 to module number 40. See module number 20 onwards to model number 40. In brief, we are discussing about this generative AI and agentic AI. Means in brief, in depth, we'll be discussing with many advanced concepts, right? That one, development. Okay. So here we'll be seeing in brief.
Okay, one more question, sir, I do
Yes,
have.
yes.
Yeah, basically, I'm 2017 passed out as I have pursued Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical field, basically.
Mhm.
I had 2 year of experience, industrial experience, and later during COVID, I lost my job. So, after that, there are some circumstances. I started working in insurance sector, like health insurance sector, for the last 2 years. But I was totally planning to change my sector basically in IT, and I was looking to start the course. Now I'm stable now, and I can start the course. And so I'm 30-year-old now. So just a simple question, like it's a personal question basically. Can you please tell me that can I start this course, and later
Yes.
can I join?
Yeah, understood. Later, I didn't get
Okay.
lost. What was your last statement? Later, what was your last statement?
Yes, sir.
What did you say later?
My last statement that I'm 30-year-old now. Can I
Okay.
start this course, and can I, start my career in data science and
You see in the
join
current,
any IT companies or?
if you see in the current industry, right? If you see that current industry with from
Yes, sir.
last 1 year, 1.5 year, if you see the two high paying jobs are the two technologies which are running in the industry: data science and AI, and data engineering jobs are there. So the see here
Yes, sir.
increased demand of data science. Now it is the right time for you people to just get into this technology, right? Because after 1 year there'll be a lot of competition, right? And that too, in this course, AI with advanced AI techniques you are going to discuss. If you showcase all these things in your resume, definitely, not only that, you can demand for the salary. You can demand for the salary, but in the same thing, they'll be searching for your technical skills. So there are strong opportunities right now in the fields of data science and artificial intelligence, especially if you have got the right skills. So breakdown of what the market looks like, what roles see what are needed and how you can position yourself, right? So the job market looks like is estimated, if you see from the next 1 year, right, around 11 million job openings in data science and AI would be created by 2026. So most of the people they'll be shifting their careers to this AI and ML, right? So by this, but you can go and you can have full exposure to all these technologies with advanced concepts you'll be exploring, right? So you'll be the first choice, right? And if you see the demand for this AI and this machine learning data science role up to 40%, there is a 40% increase in this overall IT hiring, right? So even though, yes, even though there is a, if you see the key growth roles, data engineering and then this AI and ML are the two major things which are running in the market currently. So if you see, data science is one of the most promising and high in demand career path for the people to choose. One thing is high salary packages will be there, and this high in demand technology currently, and there is a huge requirement currently for this data science and AI, especially data science and AI technologies. So today's data science is not only limited to only analyzing or understanding this data patterns. Empowered with AI, you see today in the next 1 year you will see a lot of AI applications getting developed. Okay, so here data scientist and
Yeah,
this
sure.
AI, we have got a lot of roles also. I'll come back to that AI. So they have got highest salary packages. Pursuing this data science career will never let you down. So if you see the many companies, if you see the MNCs, like they're hiring data scientists and AI engineers at a great salary package. When this many companies, they are offering high paying jobs to this data scientist. And also you have got many job roles here. Once you go through this entire course, right, you can become a data scientist, you can become a ML engineer, you can become a AI engineer, you can become a Gen AI engineer. So in this course, right, everything, if you see Gen AI, if you see that huge content, huge syllabus you can see for Gen AI, for Agentic AI, for AI, for machine learning, everything covered in brief in depth in this. So you can become AI engineer, Gen AI engineer, ML machine learning engineer, data scientist. And if you add some more features, if you add some more technical skills like if you go with Excel and Power BI, you can also become a data analyst, and also AI research scientist you can be, or business intelligence analyst from this course. What is our, so there are different roles you have got, not like you have got a broad view of going for this interview such. So this totally will be the two I said, right? It will be advanced AI topics. Okay, where you can specify all these things in your resume, right? So that you'll add more weightage for your resume. And as I said, 3 projects will be discussed in this course. Okay, fine. Any other queries?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, what will be those 3 projects on? About to, what will be those 3 projects?
Yeah, I'll discuss in the tomorrow session. Okay.
Okay.
So, any other queries you got?
Hi, is this course going to only happen on the weekdays or it is the complete week, 8 to 9?
Monday to Friday it will be. Sometimes on Saturdays I'll be there. It will be
Okay.
from Monday to Friday.
Okay.
Okay. Once again, you can check in the chart. You can see a big message given by this online team. You can see in the Zoom chart a big message is given by this online team, right? Their contact details. You can just copy that on their contact details, the payment details, the course content details, and they're given a note, right? If you got enrolled, don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to that mail ID that is provided, durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com. Right? Yes. Okay. Fine. So if anyone missed yesterday video, the demo video of yesterday is also given in that link. You can check it. Okay. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll be getting added to this WhatsApp, and we'll be getting the videos, notes, everything, right? Yes. Fine. So if I'm done with the queries, if there are no other queries, I'm signing off for now. Meet you tomorrow, same time at 8 o'clock, but with a new link, right? Fine. Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.